How to fix all Windows Media Player issues on Windows 11 PC. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, right-click on the Start menu icon. Select Settings from the menu. In the Windows Settings, you need to click Apps on the sidebar. From this list, click on Install Apps. Now on this interface, click on Search Apps at top left corner underneath Apps and search for Media Player. Here you will see all the applications related to Media Player. Simply you need to choose the right one and click the three dots right to it. In here, click on the option of Uninstall and wait for the uninstall process to complete. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. And after that, you need to search for the Media Player application again, and then you will see it's from your list. And then you have to click on Install button, and the installation process will take a few time depending upon your internet speed. And after you install the Media Player application on your device, you will successfully fix the issues. The last step you need to do is finally restarting your computer after installation. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.